You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.